People often do not just want solution. They also need an acknowledgement that they have been heard. Because a public statement can bring emotional needs like a person can get a relief, hope, trust, and even it can impact on our skepticism and other emotional concerns. From a psychologist's perspective, why people usually demand for response during crisis. So, response is something that gives a person or the group of people, whoever are in the other side, waiting to know that have they been heard or are they being seen and felt? Is their concern being acknowledged? So, any form of response can give the people who are in the crisis that they have been heard and actions has been taken, whether the action can be taken in a positive way or a negative way, that's something else, but at least something has been taken. They keep an update that what has been happening, what is the exact concern that has been heard, have they understood or not, what is the other party who is supposed to take action and give the response to the people, have taken any kind of step or hasn't. If they have taken, what step is it? Does that rely and does that align with the concern that the public has been keeping? So these all kind of concerns will be used and it can be helpful for the people. And talking about psychology of accountability, accountability gives a sense of satisfaction and relief, a trust, hope to the people who are standing in the other side and protesting, who are in the crisis. So that gives a relief to the people how uncertainty can affect stress and anger. If people are uncertain about if the government has heard or not, are they even acknowledging it or not, or anyone, not just talking about government, any person who is in the other side, the officials or the concerned person, concerned community or a group, whoever is in such kind of crisis is supposed to take any kind of action. If they do not take any kind of accountability, even any sort of response, has the accountability been taken or not, this could affect the stress. If there is a positive response towards the people, the chaos, the protest, that could decline, right? Or if there isn't, they would be making more and more protests, and as finally where our PM Modi has acknowledged the concern.
पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। कल कैबिनेट में चर्चा होगी, कैबिनेट के साथियों के सुझाव के बाद उसका अंतिम रूप दिया जाएगा। जल्द से जल्द उस बिल को सदन में पारित कराने का प्रयास किया जाएगा।
As we saw in this video, though this message was far relieving and could bring a lot of hope and trust, but the question is, why are still some people remaining skeptical even after getting the response? There could be many millions of reasons that they have gone through this protest and the days that they went through a lot of struggles during the protest, as the temperature, their food and their basic facilities, and even going through a lot of violence during the protest. So this all could bring a skeptical, like, will this remain, and could be the duration of the response. If the response was this much sooner or this much delayed, whatever the duration of the response, that could also create or trigger any kind of skeptical. At the end, there are chances for the skeptical to gradually reduce and decrease day by day when they see the real result. This would have definitely reduced the stress and would have reduced the anger. So this could bring a really great impact to the people, whoever are there in the protest, finding a relief, trust, hope that they have been heard, that they have been felt or seen